How's everyone doing today? Well, thanks for dropping by the channel. Don't forget to give us a subscribe, thumbs up, and share us around. Well, today I'm somewhere different on the property no one's really seen yet. I'm in the loft of the barn. Forgive me if the light's a little poor. Barn lofts aren't always the best lighting, but I think I found a great spot here. So the reason I'm up here today is I harvested my 800 bulbs of garlic the other day, and this is a perfect spot here to dry my garlic. It's warm in here, some good airflow, and it'll dry things out really quick as opposed to leaving it in a greenhouse where it's full anyways with my tomatoes and peppers. But I want to show you all the garlic I have here and kind of made some makeshift shelving here so that I had room to do it all. So there are these two kind of pieces of wood here I screwed into place a few months ago, and I got two long boards here. Sorry, the light's really bad up here. Forgot to bring my movie light, but we've got all the garlic up here, and I've got a bunch of garlic down here. And I put a fan here as well, just to get some more air circulation. I had it down here in front of all this garlic the past few days, but it's looking pretty good right now. It's drying up nicely. It's getting nice and papery. What I'm going to do today is start trimming some of them, probably with this long off, so they dry a little quicker, as I like to have some for the market this week. And goes all the way over here, and all that. And this board here. It's a hardneck variety that I've been growing for the past 6-7 years here. So we got lots of it here. And then down here I've got more here. And there's more over here on these old rabbit cages we just stored up here. And then over here, Kristen bought this hay elevator last year, and we haven't used it because we can't find small bales. But it's a perfect garlic drying rack. It's working out well. Things are nice and evenly spaced between the garlic there for the most part. So that's going to dry nice. You got lots of good airflow. And then over on this other side here, I have a few more over here drying. And there's probably a little bit of airflow coming up through the vents here too, so they're dry nicely over here as well. I've got probably another 200 more to harvest at my old garden. I'm hoping to do that this week if I get time. We'll see if that happens, but I want to get some of this trimmed up first so I can get it stored for some for us and sell some up for the market. And I'm going to probably plant, I'm hoping, 1,500 more this year, so I pick up my seed, which will probably keep the biggest bulbs for the seed, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I just want to show you my little garlic drying area. Next year I'm probably going to try and make more racks, so I have more racks, so it's a lot easier to dry it instead of having it all random all over the place as I just showed you. But we've been getting some wood along the way the past few weeks, so I'll have enough wood to start making myself some more drying racks. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video on my new garlic drying store area. I'm really happy to have it. It's a lot easier than having a few bulbs here, a few bulbs there in my old place, but this is working great so far. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you out there. Have a great day. Happy gardening.